Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with the 3.5mm headphones adapter on inside the box. So here, as can you see, we got the first paper box with the SIM tool, some papers work, and the silicone protective case. And here we got the charger brick and the USB-C cable, and unfortunately we have no here any adapter. So if you wanna use the adapter with the 3.5mm to headphones, you should buy this adapter separately. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.